Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Ultimate Paleo Protein Powder. Now this is good stuff. Let me give you a close-up of this protein powder. Premium grass-fed beef protein. Paleo-friendly, gluten-free, keto-friendly, no sugar. This is what you're looking for. This is the vanilla flavor. Here I am. I'm adding about 10 ounces of water, letting it blend. This protein shake now helps me totally eliminate my food cravings.
All right, let's do a taste test. Now I know what it tastes like, but for the video. All right, it's very creamy. It's very smooth. This is the vanilla flavor. It's just enough sweetness that I like. I don't like sweet drinks. And this for, if I take it in the morning or the afternoon for an energy boost, it's just enough sweetness for me, probably you too, because if you're into protein powders like this, you're probably not going to want something overly sweet. So this is creamy, it's filling. Oh yeah. But this has actually replaced a meal for me. And if this is something that you're looking for, if you're looking for a protein, and especially if you are doing keto or paleo, you're going to want to take a good hard look at this, look at the ingredients. You're going to be pleased with everything you see on it, and it tastes good.
Now my wife has her favorite chocolate smoothie she makes. Ain't nobody going to take that away from her, but what she's done is she started adding a couple scoops of the Ultimate Paleo protein to it. How is it?
Delicious.
All right. Now we love the Ultimate Paleo Protein at our house. I think you will too. So if you're looking at it, I hope you found my video helpful.